Hi students in room 14. Today you're going to be in charge of creating something called a Symbaloo. Now, a Symbaloo is a tool on the internet that helps us curate bookmarks or resources that we might need when we're learning. So curate means collecting in a way that helps us organize our thoughts or resources or information so that we can use them for later on. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up either Google Chrome or Firefox. I'm using Firefox. And you're going to type in, oops, Symbaloo. Okay, so let's type in Symbaloo, Symbaloo. And you're going to click on Symbaloo, so it's your favorite bookmarks. And we're going to talk about saving bookmarks and why it's important. So I've already started one. What you're going to do is you're going to go in the top left-hand corner and click on this arrow, and you're going to say Add a Web Mix. And you're going to put your name. So let's say that your name is Rashi. You're going to put in Rashi's Web Mix. I put in mine already, so I have one called Miss Vallejos' Web Mix. And you're going to click Add. Okay. And so this is what my Symbaloo screen looks like. So there's a bunch of these tiles here, and these tiles are visual bookmarks. And what they are websites or articles or anything that I think might be useful for me later on when I'm creating something or researching something. So recently for Writer's Workshop, we talked about pit bulls and the case for or against pit bulls and whether or not they should be banned. And so what you're going to do is you're going to think about a topic for Writer's Workshop that you've been working on. It might be homework, it might be chocolate milk, it might be pit bulls, it might be should students play video games, etc. And I'm going to show you how you're going to add a bookmark so that you can go back to it and use those resources in your essays later on. So we do need to know that collecting notes is important so that we can organize our thoughts, but having a set of bookmarks in an organized way on Symbaloo is great because then we have all our resources on one page that we can access more easily and more efficiently. Okay, so first thing that we're going to do is search the web. So I'm going to put in pit bulls. Okay, I'm going to search that. And here's a lot of Google information about pit bulls. So I already added the Pet Finder one, but I think this website looks interesting. How did pit bulls get such a bad rap? I'm going to click on that. Right, and I see that. And then I'm going to go up here and highlight the web address. I'm going to Command C or copy it. I'm going to go back into my Symbaloo right here. And then I'm going to click on a blank tile. I'm going to add a tile. It says create a tile. And then I'm going to add the address of the website that I just copied. So I'm going to Command V, paste it. Okay, and it's a website. How did pit bulls get such a bad rap? That's going to be the name on the tile. And that's a bit long, so I'm going to shorten it to pit bulls get a bad rap. And then I'm going to say show text so I can see it. And then I can change the color of the tile. So maybe I'll make this one pink or blue or whatever. So it's blue. And then I'm going to save it. And here's that tile for that specific website that I can pull up. So now I have myths and facts about pit bulls. And here I have pit bulls get a bad rap. And you can do your Symbaloo bookmark webpage on any topic that you want, but it has to be something that you might use later on. So I would say pick some resources that you think might be helpful to you when you're doing Writer's Workshop, or if you're doing Genius Hour and you have some bookmarks that you want to reference, I would say find 3 to 5 tiles that you can add on your Symbaloo page. When you're done, copy and paste your Symbaloo webpage and then create a Google Doc and share it with me so I can see and access your Symbaloo and see that you've done a good job. Right? Hopefully this is helpful and that you understand why we have tools like this to help organize information that we can later access and use when we're creating either essays or creating videos or creating other things. So it's important to have an organized way to access our resources and information so we can use it later on. Thanks.